Alright, hello everyone. Do you ever find yourself totally forgetting when you last did certain chores? Like, did I wash my sheets last week? Or was it 3 weeks ago? Personally, I forget all the time. So sometimes I end up changing them way too often, and sometimes not nearly enough. So yeah, that's the situation. I could have just grabbed a piece of paper and written down the last time I did each task. But since I'm a software engineer, you already know I had a different idea in mind. So here's the idea. I wanted to build an app where you can create chores, assign them to specific rooms, and easily keep track of when each one was done. Now you might be thinking, okay, but every time I clean something, I have to pull out my phone, open a website, and check a box? Sounds like a hassle. And honestly, I totally agree. That's why I thought of something simple and kinda cool. RFID tags. The idea is, you just scan a little tag with your phone and boom, the task gets logged automatically. Alright, so how's this whole thing gonna work? Pretty simple. We'll have an API that talks to the database. It'll be our interface to read and update data. On the front end, we'll build a web interface, but the main focus will be the mobile app to manage everything on the go. Now for the tech stack, here's what I'm using. For the API, I picked a lesser known but super powerful framework, AdonisJS. Honestly, it's the only JavaScript framework that feels like a real backend to me. The database, good old PostgreSQL. For the front end, I'm going with React, just because I already know it well, and I'll use Vite.js for the dev environment, because it's fast and modern. As for the mobile app, I'm going with Swift. Now, you might be wondering, wait, you already use React, why not React Native? Well, I just wanted to try native iOS development. Never done it before, figured this was the perfect excuse.
Nice.
So, ready to follow along on this little journey? In the next episode, we're kicking things off with authentication. And the whole project will be split into 4 big parts: the API, the web interface, the mobile app, and finally, deployment. Alright, that's it for this intro episode. Hope you're as excited about the project as I am. I'm really looking forward to building this. If you've got suggestions, feedback, or just wanna say hi, drop something in the comments. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you don't miss the next episodes, and of course a little thumbs up always helps. See you soon for the first episode, where we actually start building. Until then, take care, and see you next time.